Most Americans say they want to save money, but 60% have less than $1,000 in savings. Let's break down why so you can avoid the same trap. The Federal Reserve shows most Americans don't have $1,000 for emergencies. Rising living costs, stagnant wages, and mounting debt create the perfect storm against saving. High-interest debt eats potential savings, while lifestyle inflation and impulse spending keep us trapped. Every subscription and impulse buy moves us further from our savings goals. The biggest barrier isn't money, it's psychology. We struggle with delayed gratification in our instant world. Most of us never learned proper money management, but that changes today. First, automate your savings. Pay yourself first before any other expense. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Open a high-yield savings account and watch your money grow faster than inflation. Saving money doesn't have to be hard. You just need the right plan. Subscribe for more easy money tips and take control of your financial future.